Hey everyone, so today I wanted to go over what was released for First Friday as well as what came in the February monthly subscription kits. I'm filming this pretty late, so most of you have probably already saw what came in the April kit, as well as those of you who are subscribers probably already all received your monthly subscription kits in the mail, but I still wanted to go ahead and film a video for those of you who haven't seen or who aren't subscribers and you're just curious about what comes in a subscription kit. So I'll just quickly go through this. This is the April kit that was released earlier this month, and this is the freebie it came with. So the theme for April is Home Sweet Home, and I decided to do like a home / spring cleaning type theme for this kit just because in March I already did like a more spring themed kit. So this one is like a home themed for like those of us who like to do spring cleaning and stuff. So the freebie sampler has to do with spring cleaning as well, or just cleaning in general. So it came with spray bottles, washing dishes, laundry, sweeping, vacuuming, and trash. So you get a little freebie sampler with every order from the shop. And then here's the kit. So it's the same format as always, so I'll just quickly go through it. All our sheets are sold a la carte, so you can buy one, you can buy two, you can buy all four. This is sheet A. It always comes with some deco stickers, some icons, which are kiss cut around the shapes. These are hand doodled, mini page flags, a this month and a next month sticker, and some washi strips. Sheet B is 8 full boxes, and the standard full boxes are 1.5 inches wide, but my full boxes are 1.25 inches wide, just because I like them to be more universal for all types of planners and inserts. So you get 8 full boxes. I alternate between decorative and then ones that you can use to write things in. Like either adding a sticker overlay or a sticker quote, or writing in things that you want to write in, like reminders or notes and stuff like that. And then I always put a little thin washi strip here just because there's some extra space at the bottom. So that's sheet B. Sheet C is always the half boxes, quarter boxes, and flags. Usually my kits always come with a plain set with just a black outline, and then like a light to medium gray set, and then this is a pale pink, and then this is the marble pattern that is throughout the kit. So this marble pattern with like these like gold flecks in them. And then sheet D is always the headers. These are black, some more headers in that pale pink, and then these are 2 thick bottom washi strips that you can trim down, or you could use them big like for the bottom of your Erin Condren. So that's sheet D. So if you subscribe to the full kit subscription, full sticker kit subscription, you get everything I just showed you, which are these 4 pages, plus you get a, where is it here? A deluxe sampler. So if you order from the shop, anything you order from the shop, stickers, inserts, stationery, you will get this freebie sampler. But for the subscription kits, for the subscription sticker kits, you get the deluxe sampler, so which is a full quarter sheet of these icons. So that's what you get if you are subscribed to the full sticker kit subscription. And then if you're subscribed to the mini sticker kit subscription, you get this full sheet A, and you also get this sheet B, the mini version. So basically the mini version is just a combination of these 2 sheets from the full version. And so I just chose 4 full boxes, and then you get a little selection from each of the designs of the half boxes and quarter boxes and flags. So if you subscribe to the mini sticker kit subscription, you get these 2 sheets, and you do also get the deluxe sampler. And then lastly is the stationery kit. So the freebie for the February stationery kit was this Don't Touch My Planner journaling card. It's black with white font. It's just blank on the back, thick cardstock. This size is a pocket, like a pocket size insert size. I like to make all my journaling cards this size just so pocket size planners can enjoy them. It's not too big, and then any other size bigger planners can enjoy these as well, because you could just layer them in, clip them in, hole punch them in, or washi tape them. So there's that. And then the sticker sheets, the first one is this these icons. I just called it Noted because I didn't know what else to call them, but basically they're just icons on this very pale pink or like nude color background, and they're circles. So you get envelopes, clocks, bows, exclamation points or exclamation marks, and check marks. I really like how these came out. These are probably like my favorite designs that I've put in a sub so far. I mean, they're so simple, but they're so pretty. And I wanted to know, so make a comment down below if you like this pale pink or nude color background, or maybe even a light to medium gray background, or do you like my normal icons, which are just plain white background? Leave me a comment below and let me know, but I really like how those turned out. And then the second sheet that came in the stationery subscription are these mini flags. You get some black ones and some gray ones. Really like those. Those are super cute, small little page flags. And then there's a sheet of lettering, and I called it Noted again just because I didn't know what else to call it, but basically it's day off, payday, bill due, and birthday. And I really like this font a lot, and I did a poll over on Instagram because I was thinking about switching to this font from my normal font. My normal font is actually my hand lettering, which looks like this. And so I did a poll whether people thought I should switch to this new font or stick with my lettering, and the lettering won. The majority chose lettering, so I'm going to stick with my hand lettering, but I might still use this occasionally for like journaling cards or stuff like that because I think it's so pretty. And then the last sheet are these decorative stickers from the Cheeky Darling. Love her style. She's one of my favorite artists. And it's just super cute. I named it Planner Love because it's all planner stuff, like this little planner here. So cute with the stickers on top. And then like some washi pens, traveler's notebooks, this little gold mailer. I thought it was so cute. So yeah, that's the fourth sticker sheet for the stationery sub. And then there's always 2 stationery items. So for February, everyone got this sticky note pad. This is like a, I think it's a little bit smaller than 3 by 3 inches. It has this very light grid design on it and a super light little rectangle here. So if you wanted to put a title here like to-do list and then write your to-dos, or a grocery list or something like that, it comes with about 50 sheets, I believe. And yeah, it's just on white paper. I thought it was super functional. I love just very minimalistic, functional type stationery. So you got that. And then the last item in the February stationery subscription was this Vellum Pocket. So these were handmade, hand printed, assembled, cut, everything by myself, and my husband helped me out. So these were made with love. I made over 200 of these for you guys, and so I hope you guys like them. You know, planner pockets are really popular right now. I thought this was a cool little spin on it, just to make them vellum with this very pretty marble pattern on it. There are 2 adhesive strips on the back that you can use if you want to stick them into your planner, but if you don't want to like use adhesive, you could always just hole punch it or washi tape it into your planner. There's a little notch here. I know I saw some people were taking their sticker sheets and then just trimming them down. Either probably if you just cut off this little side section, it'll fit perfectly in there. So yeah, we have 5 options for our monthly subscription kits. This is one option which is just the stationery kit. If you do the full sticker kit, then you get these 4 sheets and a deluxe freebie. If you do the mini sticker kit just by itself, then you get these 2 sheets and a deluxe freebie. But then if you do the full kit combo, you get the full sticker kit and deluxe freebie and the stationery kit. And then if you do the mini kit combo, you get the mini sticker kit and deluxe freebie plus the stationery kit. So yeah, like I said, we have 5 options for monthly subscriptions, and right now they are closed. We just closed to subscriptions for March. April subscriptions will open the last Friday. Spots always open the last Friday of the month. So April spots will open, I think it's March 29th. It's the last Friday of the month, and you can see all the listings there for the different subscriptions and also the details of what you get in each subscription. So hopefully that'll help you out if you're a little bit confused on what you get in each option. You can also leave a comment below, or you can email me or message me, and I will be happy to answer any questions you have. And so yeah, that's it. That's all that came out for First Friday releases, as well as the subscription kits for February. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.